Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing game theory in trading. All right, now game theory is all about decision making, right? Not just based on what you think, but based on what other participants in the market are likely to do. Now, in trading, you are not alone, right? Every move you make is part of a bigger game involving banks, institutions, and other traders, right? So instead of asking, what will the markets do? Game theory encourages you to ask, what are other traders likely to do? Okay? All right, so I'm just going to put this here. So instead of asking what will the market do, you ask what are other traders likely to do next. For example, imagine price is approaching a strong resistance. All right, many retail traders will place sell orders there, right? Many retail traders will actually place sell orders around that resistance, expecting price to reverse, right? Others might place buy stop orders just above that level, expecting a breakout. Now, think like a larger player, right? Where is the liquidity? Above the resistance, where all those stop orders are sitting. So, price might first move above resistance to trigger those orders and then reverse. So this is a simple example of strategic thinking, anticipating behavior, not just reacting to price, right? Game theory also applies to risk management. For instance, if everyone is placing stop losses at obvious levels, those areas become targets for liquidity. Okay, so the key takeaway is trading is not just about charts, right? It's about understanding market behavior. So the more you think in terms of how others act, the better your decisions become. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.